Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today's video will be about replacing a 2008 headlights on a Nissan Xterra. This one's blown to heck, and then this one's just, it's so sad. So I'm going to do this video, and I hope it helps somebody, and remember to subscribe to the channel to be eligible to win my Ford F-150 truck. Okay, so as you can see, this headlight is totally busted. Either hit by a bird, rock, not really sure. And this one is looking pretty bad too. So, ended up buying a pair of new headlamps. So the first thing you need to know to begin is you're going to have to pop off this grill fascia here, and then we're going to have to take off the bumper in order to replace the headlamps. So one thing to be cautionary tale here is these, when you pop these plastic grommets out, and by that I mean these suckers, just be very careful, use finesse when removing them, because you're going to need them when you put the compartments back on. So, word to the wise, try to use some finesse, don't pull too hard. It's not that difficult to remove, but you will need to be careful removing them. One tricky part I did forget to mention before we go any further is that right down here in this lower area, when they don't look like these type of grommets that are up here. You have to pinch and then pull them out. So once you get this top piece off up here, you can kind of pull gently down and pinch these in, and then you'll be able to pull the grill out. So just be aware of that, and I think it's either 2 or 3 compartments. I think it's just 2, these 2 right here and right there, that you're going to need to pinch and then pull, and then gently pull the grill fascia out. Okay, this one right here is the tricky one to not forget. There's a bolt right up there that you got to remove. And after you get all the screws off from the bumper, it just kind of peels back gently now, and remove that screw. Okay, so now you can see that the bumper is actually off, and you're able to get to the headlamp components, screws, in order to take those out, especially this broken one, and replace them. So, I left the big bolts hanging on, just propping it up with my creeper here, and so we'll show you what happens next. And here, when taking these off, we're just using 7/16, and it really, this was not on very tight, much to my surprise. Since this is the 2008 Xterra, I thought these would be like almost rusted on there, but they're not. So, pretty easy to remove so far. And we got the new headlights in, everything working great. It wasn't as simple as a job as I thought it would be, only because it's difficult to pull out the wiring harnesses. And by that, I mean all of these suckers right here. That one, this one, and that one. So we got this one, that one, that one. Those wiring harnesses are really difficult to pull out for some reason. I don't know why, and I even had a mechanic telling me that. So if you don't press them back in hard enough, they won't contact. It won't contact, and the blinkers won't work. So that was the only problem that I encountered. Otherwise, you know, the breakdown of taking the grill off and the bumper off and the headlights out was really, that was a non-issue. It was the dang wiring harnesses. So hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope this helps somebody. And just be sure to subscribe to the channel and be eligible to win the Ford F-150 truck that I'm giving away. And thank you for that, and I'll see you the next time.